Hey guys, alright, so we've been working in Inventor, and now it's time to get ready to start the birdhouse. So I want to show you guys a couple things. First off, I'm not going to make all the parts. You guys need to be able to learn to read dimensional sheets and be able to create your own parts. These are going to be basically rectangles and some extrusions, making some holes. We will work with the dimension keys, and we will learn how to delete and add dimensions. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing is go ahead and open up Inventor. If you have not already done so, make sure you go to eChalk and that you download the birdhouse instructions, okay, the dimensional drawings. So as you can see here, we have a black piece, a green piece, we have this yellow little knob that goes in there, we have our red piece, our blue piece, and our orange piece. And here we have a little breakout illustration, an isometric of the different parts. The one I'm going to show you guys is, I am going to do the black piece for you. I am going to show you guys how to add this constraint, this little arc here that you're showing here to make this angle. And then I am going to show you guys how to locate some holes. And I do want to show you guys how to use the mathematical properties of this software so that way you can add holes as well. Alright, so with that said, let's go ahead and go into Inventor. Have both of them open. The first thing is, guys, you need to make sure that you make a new project. So go ahead and go to Project, go to New, Next, and let's go ahead and name it Birdhouse. And then again, you need to make sure that you come over here and find where you put that 3D mechanical folder. So whether you guys went ahead and put that in like your documents. Alright, so there's where my 3D mechanical folder is. So if I hit OK, it's going to my documents, my 3D mechanical folder. I can go ahead and hit finish, and now I can make sure that everything is being put into that project folder. It's going to be very, very important that you guys have that project folder moving forward when we go on to assembling and making a presentation of this project. Alright, okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hit cancel because I've already got this done. As you can see, here's my birdhouse. Alright, I'm going to hit done. And notice right here, it tells me that I'm in the birdhouse project. Okay, so if I go ahead and go to new, here I can select. A lot of you guys, I just wanted to, for those of you guys getting ready to do the name tag, this is where you get into metric, and then you can do your standard metric folders. Quite a few of you guys missed this part, so we're going to be in English. Standard part, create. Okay, so I go to start. X and Y plane, and now I'm ready to sketch. So the first one is that black part, so I'm going to hit my rectangle tool. I'm going to go to my dimension drawings. You can see I need to make a rectangle that is 5.5 in width and 8.875 in length. Okay, so I am going to go back to my Inventor, click. That first number is my 5.5, tab into the next box, and 8.875. Enter. I'm done. Hit front on the navigation cube so I can see it. And before I'm ready, now if you look at this black part here, you can see it has this angle at a 75 degree. Okay, so basically what we need to do is we need to go back here, and I can try to dimension that now, but I know what's going to happen. It's going to tell me that it's over constrained, but I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys anyway, so you guys can kind of see what's going on here. So I'm going to hit this line, and it's going to tell me, nope, can't do it. Too many dimensions, sorry. So what I need to do is I need to hit F8 on my keyboard, and now you can see the dimensions have shown. Right, they are visible. So I'm just going to go ahead and select this one, and I'm going to delete that. And if you're wondering what's going on, this one is basically running parallel. Alright, these two lines are parallel to each other. Okay, I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to delete it. And then I'm going to try making that dimension again and again. What's that dimension? Going here to here, 7.5. So I'm this line, Click this line I'm going to draw out. Click. Now you can see it's letting me add it. Whoops. 0. And there you have that dimension. And I'm done. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the sketch. We're going to extrude it. If you look back at your dimensions, the depth of that extrusion is 0.75. So I'm going to go 0.75. Enter. And I'm done. The next thing is to color it. You guys can choose different colors if you want to. I'm just going to go ahead and stick with the black. Now, I'm not going to get too much into the RGB values, but I will tell you this. Black is at the very bottom of this scale, so it's 0, 0, and 0. White is at the very high end of the scale, which is 255 by 255 by 255. Watch when I grab this and I bring it down all the way into the black. Here you can see I have 0, 0, 0. If I take this up and I go all the way up to the white, I have that 255 by 255. Okay, just so you guys know that there are properties that you can use if you know the exact RGB values that you're trying to use, but that's going into way more in depth than what I want to go into with you guys right now on this. So I'm just going to go all the way down to black, hit that, and I'm done. So this part is done. So then at this time, it's probably a good idea to go up to the iPro, save as, and make sure that it's going into that folder that you have suggested that your parts or this project goes into. Hopefully it's that 3D mechanical folder, okay? Trust me, you want to make sure that you're doing this or we'll have huge problems moving forward when we try to do the assembly, all right? And hit save and you're done. I've already got this part, so I'm not going to save it. This is the black part. Pretty straightforward and simple. Let me know if you guys have any problems, all right? All right. See you guys. Bye.